Have y'all ever created a glitter look like this? Like, if y'all haven't, y'all definitely should keep on watching.
Briana Marie, the cut-crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie. Get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blood in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the double in stack. In Italy, got too far, hoes they DM me. Draw at the top when it's cold.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Briana Marie, your favorite cut crease queen, and I am here to pass down the tools to give you the sauce to everything I know. I'm here to pass down the sauce to everything I know, and today's tutorial is going to be on this cut crease, y'all. You will see me kind of getting out the makeup tutorials, and try to give y'all like more vlogs of what I'm doing, but I be so boring, y'all. I don't be doing nothing with my life, so that's why I be creative through makeup, and that's the only way that I feel like I can express myself. But because vlogs be just like so chill, y'all, like y'all, whatever y'all doing, y'all probably doing the same thing I'm doing. Look, it's so beat, y'all. The only thing I'm mad about is when I took the pictures, they didn't come out as I expected. Anyways, child. If y'all want to see how cheap this look, please keep on watching. Got these, well, I had these braids in my head. My hair, like, it's a bald spot right here, y'all. So it came out. I was looking like the troll doll. I'm gonna post it right here. I was looking like the troll doll for a minute. I have not been doing Slay Months live because, I don't know, live videos are not, they're not doing well, so I'd rather do pre-recorded videos, y'all, and I have been slacking on live, so wherever I come back is where I start. It's not the whole 25 days, it's just Slay Months at this point, okay? I went in and took Ebony from Anastasia, y'all. This is just the pomade. It's from my line and WAP, and I'm just going to add this to the lid. This is my base, but it's not going to be in this tube. It's going to be in the tube like almost like a lip gloss tube, but a little bit thicker. No, not a lip gloss tube. It's going to be in a concealer tube, but it's going to be base, if that makes sense. These tubes right here, getting them custom design, it's like a lot, y'all. So this is the new Persuasion palette, and these are the colors in here. With this chocolate brown right here. Quickly thinking, I'm gonna take my 3503 palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Now put this right on top. Don't look right. Wish y'all could really see this like in person. And the brush I'm using is a Maxi Luxe brush, and I'm trying not to go too far up on the brow bone because I want some of that brow bone to show. I'm gonna take a clean fluffy brush. I'm gonna take a clean fluffy brush, and I'm going to like kind of diffuse this. Take this Max 221 because I didn't really see a fluffier brush So we're just gonna take the 221. I don't know, y'all, but sitting here sometimes be like dreading, especially when it's that time to go night-night. Okay, you just be like, dang, I wish I had like a room. I wish I was in like a room. I'm in this. And also, I'm going a little high with the brown. Just give you that seductive type look, y'all. I don't know. What is fire? Just basically, I'm going back and I'm playing the blending game. Staying low, because like I said, I want the light part of the base to still like kind of show. That's some Vaseline for my house. See, we ain't been using this Vaseline. We ain't been jerking off over here, okay? And taking a Q-tip and getting off all the excess. I got this number, this is number 93. This is from Inglot. And we're about to cut our crease with this because we're going to be applying glitter. It's silver. I'm going to add me some Inglot drops. I did go ahead and take a little bit of that away because I just needed to blend the edges out. My shadow is acting weird. Not my shadow, but these shadows acting weird that I'm using. Using that same brush, I am going to add black. I tried to take away from that because I like that color. It was this color right here. I think it's so dirty. I hate when it don't focus. It was this color right there. Now you got the Jacqueline hair brush. Now I have to go back in. But first, we gotta add the sparkles before we add the glitter, y'all. Okay. I think I want to take Prin. This is Prin, y'all. It's a pigment. Just regular eyeshadow brush, nothing on it. And I like kind of blended that out. Okay, so this is the look that we have right here. Ooh. Ooh, do y'all see that line right out? And memory card. So I'm gonna take my duo glue right here. Take my duo glue and I'm going to just gently like pat this. Like I'm gonna take this glitter, y'all. This is from Beauty by Melissa, and it's like a silver white kind of glitter. because I found my memory card and this lens. Like, I'm gonna need you to focus. I put my glitter on this eye. I'm about to add my white liner. Like that. So you see, that's how I get that perfect line, y'all. My lighting be changing like periodically. Not the rhinestones. I want to put white in my inner corner. I did shave my face today. I did. I deep cleansed my pores and I shaved my face. So hopefully my pores is just open and I need something to close them. So I think I'm going to start putting ice on my face at night. I'm going to spray my face with Tatcha. I'm about to moisturize with this Tatcha water cream. I swear, I really don't be needing that much. I be ODing. This is the Sheer Glow Foundation from NARS, and then this is the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and I love it because it's hydrating. Switch it up. I'm going to use my lighter concealer, butterscotch. So I'm going to take butterscotch. So I did add deep on the ends and a little bit of Tan Deep Sand. Okay, damn. If my nose ain't snatched, then what the fuck is it? Out there, y'all. If I can not cry. I don't know what I want to put under in my waterline, but I feel like I want to add a color. I knew you was coming, girl. Snatchy. Volume 2. Palette. It's like mint, it's not blue though. So. For lips, I am going to take this called Button Fenty. It's like a pinky color. And take from you. Too far with my lips, y'all. So I am going to add gloss. I want this like glittery color to match my eyeshadow. So this is the look. I'm about to go pose. I don't spray my face. I'm not. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoy this look, y'all. I tried to give y'all something different and put some rhinestones into this look, y'all. And I really hope that y'all like that. Comment down below if y'all want me to try any more like glitter looks. My mom was like, yeah girl, try a glitter today. So I tried a glitter look today. And y'all know when y'all coming back into the makeup, it just be like kind of hard. Like y'all know how y'all stop for a little second, just a little second, just a little bit. Then you come back in, you be like, oh, that's how I'm feeling. But I also see 50% of my subscribers, well, soon to be subscribers, that are watching this tutorial or watching my videos and have not subscribed yet. Y'all click that subscribe button. It is free to subscribe, and y'all can unfollow me anytime y'all want if y'all do not like the content that I make. Easy. And until then, I'm gonna see y'all down on my next tutorial.